So you must have seen and received the Arcade Insider by now. In case anyone has not received yet, then you need to check your spam section, promotion section, and you'll be finding it. And one more important thing, this email is only for the participant who participate in cohort 2 of the 2025. If you have recently participated, you won't be getting this insider email. Now, you'll be getting this in the next one in February. So we are talking this video specifically for the cohort 2 participants. Now, as you see, the Arcade Insider email is out. Now, the next step is that you'll be getting prize email. Now, when the prize email will be out, it will be very soon out. Like from tomorrow, you can expect up to 14th of January. Okay, because they are giving some time to calculate your points. So you can expect 1 to 2 days delay. After that, from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they will just prepare the prize link and you'll be sending you like this. One more important thing, many people were commenting that if you follow the tutorials from these channels or any other channels, then you won't be able to get the swag. Mostly about these channel only. Okay, my channel. So you can clearly see if you have received the insider email, that means you can surely follow and you are eligible for the swags too. Now coming to the some important things which I wanted to share that you need to understand before the price counter opens. So here I have created the playlist. Okay, here you can just watch this video. Here I've explained each thing in detail you need to understand before the price counter open. First thing, in case you missed to subscribe to the arcade in 2025, then you have not received the email. Then also you won't be receiving the prize email also and the insider email also. But if you have subscribed, then you'll be receiving the prize email. Some important things you need to take care. Let me tell you in brief also. First thing, if you want to watch in detail, you can watch it. Like many people are having multiple accounts also, multiple participants like brothers and sisters are also taking part in the arcade program, they can watch this video. Now let me brief you some important things in short. So what are some important things? See, once you have achieved the Arcade Insider email, that does not mean you are eligible for the prize. The prize counter plays a very important role. For that also, I'll make a dedicated video how to order your swags. But some things you need to understand that if you are participating with say with same name, you have two accounts. Then one will be getting cancelled. So better try to order with only one account. And if you want to order, you can just gift it to someone in your neighbor or family. You can order with their credentials. Some important thing in which one is that the name, mobile number and email should be different. Email should be the same which you used means in which you have received the insider email also and the prize email also. Okay, the email should be same for both the things. I hope it clears. Coming to a mobile number, it's obvious you have to enter different mobile number. Mobile number is generally for the delivery purpose, like OTP SMS will be coming when the price will be out for delivery. Order, can you order anywhere? Yes, if you are from India, you can order your swags in Australia also. So there is no limitation. If you are living in home, you want to get your swags ordered in hostel, you'll be getting the swags directly delivered to your home. You don't have to pay a single rupee for the swags to get delivered. So stay tuned. Coming to the fourth important thing, whenever the prize email will be out, you can simply ping me on Instagram, Telegram, or just directly comment it. Do not share the screenshot. Do not share the screenshot of that email to anyone who is trying to represent me or any of your friends. Do not share this screenshot because maybe they'll send some code or URL. If someone copies and orders, then your swags will be basically it will be stolen. You cannot order it again. So this is the quick important things I wanted to share. In the short form, I have experienced and explained all of you. So if you want a detailed guide, you can just watch it. I'll share the link in the description. So now take rest. And if you want to just begin your journey, Arcade Cohort 1 of the 2026 is live. For that also, you can just see all the guides are here. If you're completely new, you can watch the detailed guide. And if you already know, just come to this video and start your journey, like how to start, how to subscribe to Arcade. And that's good. And many of you are completing Arcade from mobile also. I saw one comment that one person completed some challenges and earned 25 points. It's very hard to earn 25 points with hard labs and skill badges. Still one person has completed. So like this, keep supporting, keep subscribing, and do share the channel with your friends and family members. Let's stay tuned for upcoming update. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.